Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market, but also I'm going to give you some interesting price prediction of these two coins over here that I believe are going to do very well in the next upcoming months. They already have very good setups. So of course guys, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button because we post one video every single day and we are nailing this cryptocurrency market right now. I'm going to go straight away into Bitcoin so we can see the point of the situation, guys. We are calling for long calls, short calls all day, guys. In our VIP group, we are pretty much printing result after result after result. I'm going to show you a few results right now. As you can see, just this morning, guys, for me, 44%, 60%, one of my members here, 15%, 38%. Look at this, guys. Yesterday we shorted, this morning we shorted. Some of our members, they longed on the other side. Why? Because we are a community of traders. We are always ahead of the market because we have charts every single day. I analyze charts every day. So if you're not joining, guys, the VIP group, one of the most successful with the highest winning rate on the internet, you are crazy. I can tell you straight away because really is going to give you such an advantage whenever you are trading. But let's now cut the chase and let's go back into Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, I'm going to show you what I want to see from here, and then we're going to go and talk about the price prediction for our altcoins. BTC at the moment, guys. As you can see right now, I've been not stressing enough that we need to be able to close above this line over here, guys, because if you're going to close below over here, so below $62,500 next Monday, I would say we might be a little bit in trouble. But if you're going to be able to close above this line over here, that's going to be a very good sign for BTC, especially on the weekly chart. And what we could be seeing from there, of course, will be a continuation to a new all-time high. So we could see something like that. 1, 2, 3. Put it over here. 92K is going to be the target to go for the next Bitcoin target, and then of course from there we could be seeing more of a pullback. As you can see, all the points, and I'm just connecting some points over here. As you can see that everything is bringing us like to roughly this area over here at $90,000. So now let's have a look as well on the daily chart very quickly. So then we're gonna take more time, to show you the price prediction for the other altcoins I was mentioning, guys. Daily chart, as you can see, we broke this level over here. Now, as expected, I've been telling you, all of you guys, we would have had a correction from here. People were not listening to me, so I really hope you listen. And as you can see right now, we are correcting. Now, two important levels of support over here that you need to pay attention. Number one is going to be roughly around here at $62,500, $62,300. Okay, so what we're going to see right now will be either we want to see a reaction from here, so one, and then to continue, or if we're going to lose this level over here, which is possible, we could be losing the level over here, then we could be seeing a rebound from here, rejection again down to this area here, 59, 60,000, and then to push to the upside. That's going to be very important for us to see this rebound over here, because otherwise what could be happening is that this was only like a fake out, and we could be seeing going down around this area at $50,000. Is it going to happen? It could happen. I'm not saying it's not going to happen, but the most likely scenario, in my opinion, right now will be either this $62,000 or $58,000. So that's what I want to see right now for BTC. So now let's go into more of a, I would say, short term, so you can see, how to trade today. The correction, is the correction over? I don't think so. I think that we're gonna go and continue a little bit more down. So what I want to see will be something like this: doom, 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 then go up to this area here, and then have a proper rebound. And also to be able, really bear in mind this, guys, to be able to break this potential channel which has just formed in Bitcoin. As you can see right now, right, almost like, we form a head and shoulder, but more importantly, we form a channel, which goes like this, and then the next one is going to be like this. As you can see, the channel works perfectly with the support level, the 200 MA is this blue line over here, which is sitting at $62,500 ish. So it would be, I would say, quite obvious that we're going to see this and then a continuation to the downside down to this area over here, and then we're going to see a rebound, like this, a rebound from here, and then breaking up to here, or we're going to see again something like this, and then they rebound from here. So that's going to be the key point. Of course, best point to enter for a short-term trade is going to be here, and it's not financial advice, guys. Don't listen to what I'm doing. I'm just doing the things, based on my data. You don't need to follow me, please. I don't provide financial advice, but I would say this area here is going to be, I would say, in terms of probability, high level of rebound, at least up to this area over here, at least up to here, because it's going to probably go back into this moving average here, retest this area over here, and then maybe if you're going to have rejection, it's going to continue to go down, or otherwise it's going to be able to go up. So best area, I think, is going to be around here. Now, guys, let's also have a look at a few things as well, which is very important, to understand where are we going as well. Nasdaq, very important because it has a correlation with BTC. Let me just cancel all of that. We were saying that before that the Nasdaq would have had a correction coming very soon, and look at that. Wow, that was actually a very good correction. So the thing is, right now, the reason why Bitcoin is dumping probably is because of the Nasdaq as well, dumping as well. At the Nasdaq, we can see that we have a very good level of support around this area over here, and also this area over here. Right now, it's sitting really at support. So we're gonna see from here would be that if the Nasdaq is gonna break this level and go back down to, let's say, 18,700, we could see Bitcoin going down to 58,000. 60,000 and then rebound back again. But otherwise, if the Nasdaq is going to rebound from here and then to continue to go higher, of course, BTC is going to follow the same path and to continue to go up. So again, not concerned about the Nasdaq. That could be seen something like this or something like this. Next one, I want to have a look, very important, DXY dollar currency index. Measure the strength of the US dollar compared to the euro, the yen, and all of that. As you can see, we dumped with Bitcoin that the US dollar index is going higher. Usually when this one goes up, then Bitcoin goes down, but this looks more of a retest in my opinion, because we broke this level over here. And as I was saying before, what we could be see could be, breakout of the structure over here, a retest around this area, which is similar to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing the opposite. So we're going to see a retest around this area over here. And then what is going to be happening is that we're going to see a rejection and then to continue to go down, at least to this area at $102. And then it's going to break the level over there. We can even see $99. And then probably at the end of the bull market, 2025-ish, we could be seeing a level of 96. But right now, that's what I want to see. I want to see a retest of this area, rejection, and then to continue to go down. Because if that happens, of course, Bitcoin is going to go absolutely crazy. Now, let's talk about these two coins, which I think are going to blow your mind and is going to be very, very important. I'm going to show you right now why are they important. Number one, guys, ING. ING, great AI coin, one of my favorite coins just to have in your portfolio. And I'm not saying this is not financial advice. I'm not saying to buy. I'm just saying that, what it could be the possibility, what could be happening right now. Now, looking at the weekly chart, guys, ING is forming what we call a potential cup and handle tear, or even a inverted head and shoulder. So we have, I'm going to show you from here with my brush. There is a shoulder here. There is a huge head over here. Another shoulder which could be doing like that. And then if this is going to play out, of course, the target is going to be roughly from here to here. Bring it over here, and then it can give us a target of roughly 86 to $87, and you can see that at the moment it's forming a potential cup and handle, or inverted head and shoulder. But what we need to make sure right now with ING will be to be able to break this very important level of resistance. So you can see that right now, we are over here sitting at the exact resistance. So if you're going to be able to break and close above this area over here, guys, it's going to be really happy days. And the target for me for ING for this bull market is going to be roughly at $86. I know it's not as much as some people think. Some people told me it's going to go to 200, 300, 600,000 million dollars, but in my opinion, I like to be more conservative, and I would say that $86 could be a very good area, especially if Bitcoin goes to 90K. And then, of course, you'll need to have all season to see all of that. So what I want to see will be a potential push, up to this area over here. So I guess we had to see, more short term, but I'm going to show you in a second. Then push to here, then up this area, maybe 68, rebound here, and then final push up to this area, up to maybe the February, March 2025. Let's also have a look at ING, what's happening on the daily chart, so you're going to have a very good understanding about this area over here. As you can see from here, guys, you're still pretty much into a potential breakout. Okay, so we could have already had a breakout from here. It's now retesting this area, and what we want to make sure is that is going to retest, rebound, and then to continue to go higher. Because If it's going to continue to go higher, then what I can see, I can calculate, our levels of retracement from this point over here. And number one, more importantly, is going to be this one over here. So I'm going to highlight it for you so you have a very good understanding. So $30 could be our 32, sorry, could be our first target. Then golden pocket is going to be roughly around this area over here. So looking at, I would say, in simple terms, what we could be seeing could be something like that, maybe a push down to here, push up again, retest of this area, up here, retest, and then something like this. So that could be definitely something to bear in mind. But right now, guys, this pump over here, right, this breakage is still quite early. So I would really urge you to be careful and wait a little bit longer, especially if Bitcoin is actually correcting. Then we could be seeing ING maybe retesting down here and then have a break to the upside. But at the moment, ING looks very, very good. And the second one I want to show you today, which I also think is going to do very, very well, it's XRP, guys. XRP, because of the lawsuit, is going to be resolved, very, very soon. I want to see as well what's going on with the XRP. So we can see that right now, I'm actually going to cancel all of that so you can see a little bit better from a short-term point of view, guys. XRP looks okay, although I'm not a fan of the coin, unlike so many other people, but you can see that we are still into this level of how do I say, like, have been touching resistance and hasn't broken yet. So what we want to see right now with ING would be a clear break of the structure over here. So with a yellow candle, which is a green candle in general, closing above this area over here. And then when this is going to happen, of course, it's going to really help us to go to the upside. But also for XRP, we can see on the weekly chart what we want to see happening. You can see this is like the previous, all-time high. First of all, I'm going to show you, these 2 points over here as we discussed before, and then we can also see at this point over here as well. So if you're going to be able to break, guys, again, we can see how high XRP could go to. Some people say it's going to go to $6. It's going to go to, $20,000. In my opinion, what I can see from here, guys, would be a potential, breaker of the structure here. So we're going to go up around this area here like that. Then let me just take my brush. Is a little bit more, you can see better, maybe up to here, bit of consolidation. Then first point is going to be very important point, is going to be over here, and then to continue around this area over here, 61.8 Fibonacci, 1.33 and 160. So this box over here I think is going to be my target for XRP. So around I would say 1.2 to 1.5 dollars. So which is going to be a 3x from here. Of course, it's not a guarantee, not financial advice, but the likelihood that this is going to happen is quite high. Things look, they're ready to break. And of course, if XRP is going to resolve the lawsuit and they're going to win, this could definitely be possible in the next few months or so. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. But if you want to analyze all these coins and always be ahead of the market, guys, VIP group is the way to go. We analyze this every single day. Link in the description below. And I'm going to see you inside. Otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video. Take care and enjoy your Friday.